And this is a trail from Icelandair. What a dirty mess. Dirty bastard. What a dirty fucking mess. I'm sorry, I've given up on pleasantries. I really have. It's gone too far, it's gone beyond the joke. Still a lot of chemical spray everywhere else. The whole sky's been sprayed. This is what's left. Out front anyway. But dirty bastard Icelandair anyway. A little squirt. And another. And another. Bloody pathetic. Try zoom this time. I'll leave it. Can't keep up with that. Not so steady. Zooming out. There you go, people, there's your death warrant. Tons of frequencies up there as well. Frequencies and chemicals. There's Iceland's mess. Right, I better go and catch both of them. So firstly we have the Icelandair first. Tango Foxtrot, India Sierra Whiskey. Not transmitting his call sign, is that a bloody surprise? We'll find out in a second. The second one that's just gone over, Delta. Delta spray lines from America. November 81 November Whiskey. 831 November Whiskey. Not transmitting his call sign again, is that any surprise? That's an Airbus. Right, let's go to the other one. Yes, of course it's timed out. It's always bloody timed out. Might subscribe to Flight Radar actually. Hey, so let's find these bloody snot rockets, shall we? Another one going over actually. There's the Delta. Minneapolis to Amsterdam, Airbus, November 831 November Whiskey. Delta spray lines, there's its flight details. The other one, Icelandair, that's Boeing 767, registration Tango Foxtrot, India Sierra Whiskey. That's going from Reykjavik to Amsterdam, and England is under attack. And here we have another Delta Airlines. No way I'll be able to get that. It's already long gone over. I was busy updating the other details. There you go, right across the sky, Delta. So we've got Delta, Iceland and Delta. And the frequencies are bloody ballistic up there too. Delta, Iceland and Delta. And that's the second Delta, Boeing 767, registration November 1603. Not transmitting its call sign. It's bloody surprising this, isn't it, you know? Or is it not surprising? A lot of military activity as well, but they're not on without. Don't know about that killing machine. It's on its way down, isn't it? That's the next one. This Delta, not got the right. Oh, there it is. It's the right one. I got it up in advance. So don't twist that round. I mean it innocent. Right, that's going from Seattle to Amsterdam. That's the second Delta, November 1603.